we will present the demonstration of HSR and real-time electronic cam here. This demonstration cell has two features. First, non-stop pick and place. This is realized because the robot and linear slider are synchronized with EtherCAP. Second, adapting electronic cam to control entire cell. With electronic cam, you don't have to write a complicated program to synchronize robot and other actuators. Now I'll show you the demonstration for one cycle. Let's see. This demonstration, robot is inserting and removing the connector from an in and out of a board that is on a linear slider. An assembly and disassembly operation are in sync with the linear slider. Since the electronic cam controls the entire axis, the speed of the robot and linear slider can be freely changed. Now I'm going to explain the electronic cam by using the screen. This is the master axis of the electronic cam, and this controls the entire axis of this cell. It goes 0 to 300 degrees, and you can allocate each positions of each axis in this demonstration cell. We have 4 axes of HSR and 1 axis of high-wing linear slider. And we set 2 points, and the red line is the trajectory of all those axes, and they are generated automatically by a Beckhoff tool called TE1510. It's a cam design tool. And I'll explain what happens if we turns the master axis. This blue line is the degree of master axis, and all the trajectory are allocated to the master axis. So when I turn the master axis, all axes follows the move in synchronization. Then this is the HMI of this demonstration. This silver knob is a controller for rotating speed of master axis, and this is the actual speed. So when I turn this up, the master axis rotates very fast. It's 90% right now and 100% right now. And when I change this speed, the entire cell, the speed of the entire cell is changed. And also, this is the actual screen of TE1510. As you can see, this red line is the degree of master axis, and all those black lines are the exact axis that we have 5 axes. So when I turn this on, every axis follows the movement. So now let's take a look at real robot. Okay, in this way, RC9 can be linked with user applications running on TwinCAD. As an example of this time, we used an electronic cam to carry out the assembly and removal process. But if there are other applications that requires real-time synchronization, please consider introducing RC9. That's all for the electronic cam.